anyways, this will be posted on my YouTube. Actually, yeah, this will be posted on my YouTube. But right now, I'm just chilling. Want to be posted on YouTube because, yeah. And that's what I'm doing. I just made this slime, like, look at this slime. It's not really stretchy slime, but it's slime. But like, how you gonna fix it? I'm gonna add a little bit of this. No, please don't tell me that ruined it. Please don't tell me that ruined it. No, it made it scratchier. My God, you never made slime. You're probably like, you never made slime. And I don't think I never made slime on camera, but I've made slime before. But yeah, you guys, I wish I had a story to tell y'all, but I will be recording with Cooking with My Mom. That's the video title. It's gonna be Cooking with My Mom. Oh, my nose stopped up. Anyways, yeah, this video is gonna be called Cooking with My Mom. You better go watch it when I post it, when she gets here and we start cooking. Yeah, but now we're gonna actually activate this thing up. By the way, I'm doing this to get more followers also because I noticed that I dropped down from 35 to 32. And yeah, and I want more than just 32. I want like back my 35. I want my 35 back. Anyway, so this is very sticky. Probably because it's basically like all of this is just glue. Like this whole thing is just glue. Anyway, so we're gonna spray it to like activate it, I guess. It's gonna make it new. It's gonna make it sticky. Icky. But let's color it. Which color should be colored? Hold on, let me get my marker out. I don't need markers, so that's why I'm using them. I don't need markers or crayons. I think we should color it pink. We're gonna color it pink. Because I have this very like neon pink. Let me show y'all. I call it neon pink, but it's a bold lime they call it, but it's pink. This is nothing, is that my slime? No, it's right here. This looks nothing like lime. This looks like pink. Anyways, let's color it. Open the marker. Just stab it. Stab it. Okay, there. It's dyed pink now, by the way. I think these should be easy to come off. Let me see. Yeah, easy to come off. Rosa. They said that this color can be called Rosa. But I don't call this color like pink. Anyways, get it mixed. Gosh, it's gonna be such a beautiful color. Oh my God, look at it. It's such a beautiful color. It's not really showing out its pink, you know? I wanted to show out its pink the most. Look, I'm gonna like draw on it, like actually draw on it. And y'all be, yeah, I don't really get watched on, or I don't really post videos like actually like big creators post videos. I only post videos like video short. But I want to learn how to post big. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to post this video big. But this is done anyways. So like the slime is done, and I'm gonna make sure none of this is still on my desk. Nope. Yeah, no. But this is a slime. We're gonna put it in this big container. Like, you're probably like, why does this tiny slime need a big container? I don't know, but yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna find the top to this container right here. Whoa, somebody's. I think I might have stepped on this and it went big. Yeah. Let me see if it can still top up though. It can't even top up no more. Anyways, we need a new container. And where's the top to this? Right here. Yep. Topped up. And bye guys. Love you. Autumn out.